name is Sheila Ochsner, and I'm a realtor with Keller Williams Premier, and today I'm introducing you to the cutest neighborhood that you're going to want to come out and see in person. This is out in Cross Creek Ranch, and the section is called Creek View. This is Patty. She's with David Weekley, and like I said, these houses are the cutest. So she's going to tell you a little bit about the product and how you can come visit her and look us up because you'll want to see them.
Sheila, thanks so much for coming out today to visit our modern farmhouse by David Weekley Homes. We're offering two unique products right here in Cross Creek with Katy ISD schools. We have 70 home sites in the community, and we have some beautiful reserve lots that back up to the creek in the neighborhood. Our homes start from the 270s and run through the 300s. We have two different product lines. So if you're looking for 1 stories, 2 stories, anywhere from 1,500 square feet to a larger 5-bedroom home at 3,000 square feet, coming out and visit us and call Sheila for more details as well.
Yeah, and the other really cool thing I like about this is they have an alley, so your garage is not in the front. So it's in the back of the elevation of the house, which I found very cool because that's unusual in our area. So anyway, we would both love to work with you. We'd both love to show you these homes in person. So feel free to contact me. My number is 281-995-0434. And if you look in the comments below, I'll also put my email address. I can connect you with Patty so she can tell you more about these homes. Hope you have a great week and hope to see you soon. Thanks.